Activation of Bibo Super App. Dito po kukuhanin natin sa DTC yung mga information na kakailanganin para dun sa pag-register natin sa Bibo Super App. Okay, punta po kayo sa DTC, then hanapin nyo po yung dashboard. Tapos po may 3 dots po tayo sa kanan. Nakalagay po doon yung account list. Press nyo lang po yun. Then, ito na po ang makikita nyo, yung account list. Ang kakailanganin po natin dyan, yung unang account, yun yung magiging referral code nyo na ilalagay sa Bibo Super App, yung main account ID number. Then, still on your DTC, punta po kayo sa profile. Hanapin nyo po yung profile details. Doon naman po, nandun yung mga details na inilagay natin sa DTC na kailangang mag-match siya dun sa information na ilalagay nyo sa Bibo Super App para po walang maging problema pag bine-verify nila yung account nyo.
Download the Bibo Super App on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store, Play Store, and App Gallery for iOS, Android, and Huawei device users. Once downloaded, open the app and choose to sign up. To get started, enter your mobile number and your referral ID. A 6-digit authentication code will be sent to your registered mobile number. A new code will be sent every 5 minutes. Input the code and click Submit. For the first step of registration, enter your 6-digit mobile PIN. This MPIN will be used every time you log in to your Bibo account. Confirm your MPIN and then input your desired password. Your password should contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number or special character. Once you've confirmed your password, click Proceed. Step 2. Provide your full basic information. Once done, click Proceed to move on to the next step. Step 3 is where you input your active email address and then click Proceed. Step 4, you'll need to enter your complete address. You can choose to register your home or office address. Once you've entered your address details, click Proceed. Now, for the final step, review all the details you've provided and double-check if everything is correct. If it is, go ahead and click Proceed. You should then see a congratulatory banner. This confirms your successful registration. You are now ready to log in to your Bibo Super App. For your first login, enter your registered mobile number and the password you have set. Upon logging in, you will be welcomed with a tutorial of your Bibo account dashboard. Feel free to explore and enjoy your Bibo Super App. You can now enjoy the basic benefits of your Bibo account. To unlock all the app's features, transactions, and benefits, make sure to complete the eKYC procedure for your full account verification. Welcome to your Bibo Super App account. Handa ka nang magpabibo. Bibo sa serbisyo, Bibo sa pag-asenso. Ang Bibo, laging panalo!
After pong maging successful ang pag-download at pag-activate ng inyong Bibo Super App, ito na po yung makikita nyo sa inyong dashboard. Yan, may nakalagay pong endorser. Ang ibig pong sabihin yan, it's another opportunity para kumita kayo kasi pwede kayong makapagbuo o makapagpa-join ng maraming distributor para maging negosyo itong Bibo Super App. And that would be another topic for us to discuss. Then, isa pa pong makikita nyo dito yung logo. Ito po ay nagsasabi na hindi pa kayo fully verified. So, with this one, makita nyo po yung more sa ilalim, sa right side. Click nyo lang po yun. And then, ang susunod pong screen natin, makita nyo may Get Verified Now. Yan, so press nyo lang din po yung more. Yan, makikita nyo po yung mga services ng Bibo. So, another sheet natin, another page. Dito po, get fully verified in only 5 minutes. So, press nyo lang po yung proceed. Okay, dito po tinuturo yung 4 steps na pwede nyong gawin para ma-fully verified yung account nyo. So, first step po, complete personal profile. Then, step 2, take a selfie. Step 3, take a photo of any of your valid government ID. Step 4, confirm your details to get verified to enjoy more features of the app. So, start po kayo nyan sa step 1. Then, press nyo po yung proceed. Then, after which, kapag nakumpleto nyo na po yung 4 steps, makakita na po kayo ng congratulatory banner na nagsasabi na within 48 hours po, ma-activate yung inyong fully verified na account. So, press nyo lang po yung done. Kung hindi pa po fully verified yung account, ito pang makikita nyo sa screen nyo. May logo pa. Okay? Kung fully verified na po siya, nawawala na po yung logo na yon. Okay, how to link your Bibo Super app to your DTC? Ito po yon. For an easier way to link your Bibo Super app to your DTC, you will need to request via Easy Viber or OVI Viber hotline with the following format of details and requirements: full name, user ID, registered mobile number. Remember po na yung Viber number na gagamitin nyo, dapat yun yung registered number na nakasubmit dun sa DTC at dun sa Bibo account nyo. Tapos po, at least one primary ID. Take note that you need to meet the following requirements. You must be a Bibo endorser. Your Bibo Super app account must be fully verified. And Bibo Super app registered name and number should match the details registered with your DTC. So, be very careful po dun sa mga details na ilalagay natin para hindi tayo magka-problem dun sa pag-activate ng ating mga accounts sa Bibo at yung sa DTC natin. Okay, thank you po and happy earning!